All right, so now we're going to get into yogurt and cottage cheese. So not all yogurt is created equal. Greek yogurt is by far my favorite, and the reason for that is that it has a lot of protein. So it's an amazing snack. I love to have it mid-morning or mid-afternoon with some berries and perhaps some nuts on it, but I really want to highlight that not all yogurt is the same. So if you're just getting your generic yogurt that does not have Greek in the name, it will be a lot of sugar that's generally in that yogurt item, whereas Greek yogurt will have around 17 to 24 grams of protein per serving. So additionally, we have some yogurt that will be Greek yogurt, which will have more protein, but it will also have fruit mixed in with it. And so when it has that fruit mixed in, it will have a much higher sugar content and actually a slightly lower protein content than you would if it was just plain yogurt. So what I like to do is I will stir in protein powder like a vanilla, a chocolate, or even a peanut butter flavor. I'll put that into my plain yogurt and make it taste super good, and then it'll actually bump up the protein depending on what my goal is for that meal. Another item that I love is cottage cheese, and I used to eat this as a kid, and only about like 2 years ago did I discover it again. Cottage cheese is amazing. So cottage cheese and Greek yogurt are very comparable in their protein content. Cottage cheese does have a little bit more sodium, which can be really useful if you're an athlete and you need that sodium for muscle contraction. But if you're looking to keep sodium low, you might think about doing Greek yogurt instead. But both of them are really excellent snack or breakfast items. Add some fruit, add some tomatoes, and you're good to go.